Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an empties video. So let's see what I have inside this bag. Okay, this is from Dollar Tree. And this is what it looks like. This is Plackers. Floss. This is really good for $1. I really recommend this brand. You can get this at Walmart for like 75 of these for like $2. So they're very, very good and very like affordable. So I really do enjoy these. I highly recommend them and I always buy them. Next up is this lemon plant-based scent soap. This is vegan, hydrating, and paraben free. So this was $1 at the 99-cent store. And this is really good. I do enjoy this. This is a 6.25 ounce. And I think I will repurchase this. This is the brand VENEZIA. That's what it looks like, and I really do like lemon scented stuff, so that was really good. I finally finished this Borogeo. That's what it looks like. BRIOGEO. Don't despair, repair. Strength, moisturize, and leave-in mask. It's really good. This is like a sample size, a deluxe size from BoxyCharm when it was like $21. So that was really good. It lasted quite a bit. This is a 2-ounce bottle and I really do enjoy this. But I don't think I will repurchase it. Okay, next is I finished these up. If you're on my channel for a while, you know I always go through these 80 count assured 100% pure cotton rounds from the Dollar Tree. And these are really good. I really do enjoy that. So I always like buying, especially this brand. Assured is a really good brand. I didn't go through these ones. They're 100 cotton balls. I have 2 of them because I put it in one big bag. But these are really good. I do repurchase these a lot. So I always have like cotton rounds and cotton balls in hand so I don't run out. I restock when I shop at Dollar Tree. I restock a lot. So I love my Dollar Tree. This is L'Oreal face wipes. This is in French, lavender, and citrus. This is really good. All skin types of advanced formula, 30 count. These are really good. I do enjoy this brand from Dollar Tree. And I like lavender, so this is really good. I do like the Walmart brand, but I always go to Dollar Tree, so I always stock up on dollar stuff. I hate spending so much when you know you gotta throw products away. This is Vitonic Balancing Complex Hydrobionic Recovery Sleeping Mask by Dr. Brandt. This is like a $50-some product, and this is really good. I wear this before I go to bed, and I wear it all night and sleep in it, and this works really good. So I've got this in BoxyCharm way back when. This is really good. I would not spend a whole lot on brands. So I will not repurchase this, but it's really good. I highly recommend this. I went through this bubble tea from Ipsy, this lemongrass and green tea hand cream. I don't like this. It's too watery for me, and I like thicker consistency. And it's just a sample, so yeah. I like the smell, lemon smell, but I don't like how watery it is. That's it. I finally went through this. This took me a long time. I got this free from Viewpoints, which they stopped emailing me for some reason to get free products. This is the Mamonde, Mamonde product. This is a gel cream, so when I am done with my toner, I'd put this on. This is like my second part of my routine. And this is really good. It smells like roses. So if you do not like rose scented, I don't recommend. So that's how done I am. I will not repurchase this. This is like $30. I do not like spending that much on products. Really good though. I highly recommend them. I got done with these little samples I got in the mail. Incest free. By the same company. This is a cream and this is an oil. I do like it. I think it was the cream that smelled really good and the oil kind of stink. But I went through these. It gave me like a pretty good sample size. This is the full size, what they look like. And I do recommend them, like, not bad at all. But I would not repurchase them. Nope. And this I am decluttering a BB cream. This is like super old now and it looks disgusting. It's like a thick concealer. Really cute packaging from eBay. I'm decluttering this tart. I didn't really care for it. I was trying to Project Pan this, but this is how far I've went and decided, you know what? I'm gonna open a new powder and try that out because I didn't care for this Tarte powder. This is Smooth Applicator Loose Powder. I've tried this out. Model's Own Runway Foundation. This is too light for my skin. I don't know. I tried it out a couple times and I didn't care for it. So decluttering that. Decluttering this old concealer that I got from eBay. Like, it's really, really old. That's what it looks like. And it's a high definition concealer from Pop Feel. It's like from China. Way back when. This I have finished, and this eye cream from Rose Hip. Oil from under your eye. You just put this under your eye and I didn't see no difference, so I'm not going to repurchase this. That's what it looks like. And then I finished these two little samples from Sephora. These are like a mask, like a clay mask, and I finished two of these, so that's pretty good. I'm trying to use my samples up and then use my full size. Try to mix up the regimen, and I don't know what's breaking me out, so I gotta figure that out. But that is my empties for June. It's now July. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Thank you for watching, and you request me any kind of videos you would like to see. I'm like I haven't been like really motivated to kind of been filming and videos. I'm just like I'll try to be motivated to get more videos out. I've just been like other things have been getting in the way, and then it's just a mess. But thank you for watching. So yeah, bye for now.